Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so we're gonna be filming a good old Empties video today, but I think this is gonna have to be in two parts because I not only have our famous basket full, oh my god, I don't even think it fits in frame, full of product, but we also have a nice little bag from Marshalls and Home Goods that is full of products that, of course, you know, with Empties, I do it a little differently. I like to do empties slash products that I am no longer using. So I think we should actually, yeah, I think we're gonna do the basket for one part and the bag for another part. So I'm gonna set that aside for now. And oh my god, I don't think I'm wearing highlight. Hello. Hold on, pause. Okay, there we go. There she is. She showed up today. I'll have everything on my makeup details listed down below, but I just used REM highlighter, or what is this called? Interstellar something something. Highlighter topper in Miss Mercury. So, period. Anyway, let's jump in because this is going to be, I don't want this to be like a 30-minute video. So we're just going to jump in. Of course, as you guys know, if you want to see what is in my basket, then keep on watching. As you guys know, like I said earlier, this is not just empty products. This is products that I am no longer using slash empty. So I think I'm just gonna start at the top, and I see, okay, so I have two of these. So me and my boyfriend are obsessed with this body wash from Arm & Hammer. This is the Juniper Berry Exfoliating with Natural Silica. Now, this is not the most exfoliating product, but I think me and my boyfriend just like it because oh my god, it smells so good. Like, I can't get over this. We get this at Dollar Tree. I think this is like a discontinued product because you can no longer like buy it like on the website, and Dollar Tree is the only place where we find it. But the thing about Dollar Tree is, you know me and Dollar Tree, I go to a lot of different Dollar Trees, and not every single Dollar Tree has these in stock. So every time they have them in stock, we'll buy literally everything they have. And that sounds excessive, but sometimes they'll only have like 3 or 4. So we'll just buy them all because this is our favorite scent. And yeah, so starting off real strong. I have, starting at the top again, so I have 2 of the Professional Tighten Toned Pore Finding AHA PHA Toning Foam. I believe this was in a past Empties already, so I'm not going to stay too long with this. Of course, this is my favorite, and my bestie Mary Lou keeps me stocked on my Professional and anything benefit. But thank you, Mary Lou, always. But yes, this is amazing for refining pores, texture, everything. I have a whole video on this, so I'll link that down below talking about this, so I won't spend too much time on this. I have hand soap. We have a few different hand soaps in here. We're not really like loyal to a hand soap. Well, actually now we kind of are, but this is Dial Ocean Splash. This is this is a really good like fave. One that we tried kind of just like on a whim was this Suave Ocean Breeze one. And really, we like to go for things that are like usually antibacterial or something along the lines of that, but a lot of the times we just like the way they smell. And the ocean or like water fragrances usually all smell pretty like neutral, so that's why we like stuff like this. So hand soap, always, 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 always. Again, just a random one. This is Glade empty. Clean linen spray. Clean linen is definitely like a fave of ours. We even have it like in our Glade like plug-in thing. Clean linen is always a staple, always. I have 3 different deodorant. I have 3 separate. I wouldn't say different. They're all the same deodorant. This is Axe. Dark Temptation deodorant. So I went on this kick where I was trying aluminum-free deodorant. And again, we bought these at Dollar Tree. Well, I bought these at Dollar Tree. And they work to an extent. I think I'm just not compatible with like aluminum-free deodorants. They just do not work for me because I end up like really BO-y like at the end of the day. Sometimes even like midday, depending on what I was doing. These like smell good and like stuff like that, but yeah, they smell really good, honestly. Like, but they just wouldn't. Of course, I think most aluminum-free deodorants are not antiperspirant, which I think that's the downfall of things because I need it to be. So this was a good run. I think I'm gonna stick to my aluminum because now I don't smell. So, you know, if something's gonna give me cancer, it's probably gonna be, you know, either the sun, red dye 40, or you know, just the list of things that I can possibly think of. So you know what? You gotta choose your own battles. I have nope. I have a bottle of Fix Plus. Of course, you guys know that I like to repurpose Fix Plus bottles, but this one actually broke like completely, like off the whole little like nozzle. If you've ever tried to like replace Fix Plus bottles, they're a little finicky. So the whole thing, like even the little like straw thing, broke off. So this one, unfortunately, I will not be able to reuse. But I will just end up, I think you can just recycle these, so I'm just gonna end up recycling this. Okay, so my boyfriend, oh my god, here's another. Oh no, this is clear water. So clear water is a different scent that the Arm & Hammer makes. This one's good too. It's just clean. It's just like clean, neutral, like very just, nothing too overpowering. But the Juniper Berry is just the best one. So another body wash. My boyfriend uses e.l.f. Religiously. This is his everyday product. Like he uses this every single morning, every single day, non-stop. So you have seen this in other empties as well. So e.l.f. I do recycle these because they're glass. I don't really like the nozzle on these sometimes. Like they're all kind of, some of them aren't as they don't spray as well sometimes, so I just recycle the whole thing. Clinique, even better, dark spot corrector interrupter. You have seen this in others as well. Like I think I have mentioned before, I was using this on my body for a little bit to kind of help with any kind of discoloration or hyperpigmentation I might have from like acne scarring, so that's why that is in here. I used up a whole, this is the all-nighter vitamin C, cactus flower, and water setting spray. I used up the whole thing, and I really like this. I think I have a backup of this. I either have a backup or I'm using one. So I loved it so much that I used the whole thing, which for setting spray, like, is almost unheard of for me. This is the Clinique Clarifying Lotion, the Acne Solutions one. Of course, you guys know this is in my everyday routine, and I use this for, of course, my complexion because I am very acne prone. It's not really reading on camera, but I have a really bad breakout going on this side, but that's just what life is for me. I'm not able to stay clear for the most part, so whatever. I have my routine always, thank you, Clarins Double Serum and Double Serum Eye. This is the light texture double serum, and I of course already have my products that I'm using and my backups. Of course, Irma, my bestie Irma, likes to keep me, doesn't like to keep me, she makes me work for it, but she keeps me stocked on these. Again, Clarins, if you want to send me product, please send me Double Serum and Double Serum Eye. This is expensive. I love it. I use this every day, every single day, as you can see. Yeah, this, I don't think I'm gonna stay on this too long. All I'm gonna say is you're going in the trash, and that's it. Okay, so the basket was pretty small actually. So we're in the last couple items. So this is the Clinique High Impact Lash Elevating Mascara. This is, first of all, dry, but discontinued. This was a good mascara. I really did like it, but you can no longer get it. So, and then Benefit, They're Real. This is my favorite liquid liner. This one is dry, like dry. I of course have one that I'm using right now, and I think I have a backup. So this is one of my favorite liquid liners of all time. They're Real. What is it called? They're Real Extreme Precision Liner. I have this in black. I think I also have it in brown that I haven't opened yet. But this is one of the best liquid liners. It is a bristle tip, not a felt tip. Bomb. Super precise, super smooth. Gets a wing really easily. Love. I think I've talked about it many times before on my channel. And I have two Peach and Lily products, actually. So the first one is the Peach and Lily Skin Shield Blurring Primer. So they no longer make this product. I think this is empty. Oh, it's not empty, but it should be empty. So this was a really good primer that I loved for a long time. Although some of the packaging on these were faulty and you couldn't get any of the product out. And you can't even like open it or twist it anywhere. But that was one of the faults of this. They no longer make this, and mine's pretty much empty, so I'm just gonna get rid of it. And then the Peach and Lily Glass Skin Refining Serum. Now this I did like. I used this actually in between me using double serum. I was like, let me try this because I have heard so many things about this, and I used the whole thing. It was hard to tell because it's like solid glass, like it's opaque solid glass. Like you can't even like, sometimes you can like see it through it like with the light or something, but this one you couldn't. So I used the whole thing. There's like a pump or so left. The one thing that I did not like about this serum is, yeah, it gives you like a glow or like that glassy skin look, but it stays tacky. And like unless you put like a moisturizer or your sunscreen on top of it, it stays tacky. And I do not like that. My double serum does not do that, which is why it's one of my favorites. So there we go. And actually, I think I underestimated the basket because it was a bunch of like bigger things, I guess. But that was the basket. So I'm actually just gonna jump into filming part 2. So if you see me in the same outfit and the same makeup, that is why. But yeah, so stay tuned for part 2. And well, I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe down below. I will list all the product empties in this video. I will also list all the makeup that I am wearing in the description box below. So don't forget to check that out. It takes a lot of time to do that, so please check it out. And yeah, so I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.